Hey there, it's Ed from the Operative Group, and today we're diving into a topic that's vital for everyone, especially as we grow older: downsizing and estate planning. So we are here on site at a property that we've actually been working on for almost a year now. And trust me, what we're discussing today is crucial for you and your family's future. But before we dive into the nitty-gritty, let me ask you, have you seriously considered what happens to your belongings, your home, and your legacy when you're no longer around? Stick around, because today I'm sharing strategies to avoid leaving a shitstorm for your loved ones to handle. Let's face it, none of us like to dwell on the idea of our own mortality. But here's the reality. Proper planning for your estate is pivotal. We've seen too many families struggle after the passing of their parents, dealing with a chaotic estate. Take control and plan ahead, and you don't need to fret about going down this road alone. Now, when it comes to downsizing and decluttering, it's not just about getting rid of stuff. It's about crafting a plan that reflects your life, your family, and your aspirations. Many of our clients have lived in their homes for decades, sometimes longer, and often it's their main source of retirement funding. That's why executing this properly is essential. Unlocking resources for retirement needs careful navigation. What you see here is nearly a year's worth of work: emptying, sorting, strategically upgrading components of the house, from replacing windows, doors, siding, refreshing the HVAC systems, and even tackling some roof repairs. Each step is meticulously planned to ensure a smooth transition and to capture maximum equity and ROI. Imagine your life's timeline. How do you want it to look? Downsizing is about aligning your living space with your future goals, ensuring comfort and peace of mind as you move forward in your life. We specialize in tailoring strategies specific to your family's needs, because it's just not about the house. It's about ensuring your loved ones are equipped and supported after you're gone. Your property might be your largest asset, and liquidating it for retirement requires careful financial mapping. We work on unlocking value while safeguarding your future. So if you're thinking about downsizing, organizing, and planning your estate, start by envisioning the life that you want. Crafting a strategy that aligns with your goals is key. Trust me, it's better to plan now than to leave a chaotic mess for your family later on. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell to stay updated with more tips on managing your estate and downsizing effectively. Until next time, this is Ed from the Operative Group.